Building on our understanding of scientific rationalism, let's consider its impact on modern education. This perspective emphasizes logic and evidence-based thinking, shaping how subjects are taught and how students engage with material. By applying rational analysis, educators can foster critical thinking skills and encourage students to question and explore the world around them. Scientific rationalism, the premise of knowledge through reasoning and scientific methods. Scientific rationalism combines the idea of empiricism, knowledge derived from sensory experience, with the notion that knowledge is also gained through reasoning, logical deduction, and scientific methods. It suggests that in addition to experience, theoretical understanding and systematic analysis are crucial for gaining knowledge. Key premises of scientific rationalism. Knowledge through reason and logic. Scientific rationalism holds that knowledge is not only gained from observation, but also from the logical reasoning and theoretical frameworks that help explain and predict phenomena. The scientific method. A key aspect of scientific rationalism is the scientific method, a structured, systematic approach for solving problems and discovering knowledge. This method involves hypothesis testing, data collection, and critical analysis. Deductive and inductive reasoning. Scientific rationalism uses both deductive, starting from general principles to draw specific conclusions, and inductive reasoning, drawing general conclusions from specific observations to build knowledge. Theory and evidence. It stresses the importance of combining theory with empirical data. Knowledge is validated by the application of scientific principles to real-world problems. How scientific rationalism influences education. In education, scientific rationalism shapes the way subjects like mathematics, science, and philosophy are taught. It encourages logical thinking, critical reasoning, and the application of scientific methods to explore and understand the world. Some key influences include use of the scientific method. Teachers encourage students to apply the scientific method in experiments and projects, formulating hypotheses, conducting experiments, and analyzing the results systematically. For example, in chemistry or physics, students learn how to design experiments to test scientific laws or theories. Critical thinking. Education that emphasizes scientific rationalism promotes the development of critical thinking. Students are taught not only to observe, but also to question and analyze information logically, which helps them evaluate arguments and solve complex problems. Focus on theory and evidence. Education also stresses the importance of understanding theories behind concepts. Students are not just learning facts, they are also understanding the underlying principles that explain why things happen the way they do. For instance, in social studies, students may study theories of governance and then apply these theories to evaluate real-world political systems. For example, in a physics class, scientific rationalism would encourage students to apply formulas and laws, such as Newton's laws of motion, to predict and explain the results of experiments, integrating theory with empirical data. In conclusion, scientific rationalism plays a crucial role in modern education by promoting logic and evidence-based thinking, which influences teaching methods and student engagement with material.